back to B Channel 3 News, where the news is true. Today we're live on the scene where Travis and his group just got back from traveling in the past. They seem they're pretty, confused about something in the room. What are y'all confused about in the room?
I've changed the future whenever we're in the time machine.
Y'all changed the future when y'all were in the time machine?
Yes.
You stepped on a butterfly.
Stepped on a butterfly to change the future?
Yes. Whenever we're in the time machine, I stepped off the path. I ran the wrong way and I stepped off the path and I killed a butterfly.
You need to take more responsibility.
I know, I didn't mean to. I stepped off the path and it was on an accident. You know I didn't mean to.
I know you didn't mean to, but look what you did.
That's what we just go.
Oh my!
Say Lanta.
Lanta. Oh my Lanta.
That's it.